attack all around. Wait a minute.
Oh, wait a minute! He tried this earlier, but now there's nobody in the way. Elijah activating the reset button. Where's the referee? Joe Mandak in the ring.
Well, wait a minute.
What? I told you, BC, he wants that Super Indy Championship.
Ladies and gentlemen, Elijah has activated the reset button. This match is for the Super Indy Championship.
Elijah's just waiting for the bell. 1, 2, and what? Who is that? What happened? That's Andrew Palace. You gotta be kidding me!
Whoa, and Elijah just made a beeline for Palace. Palace saving the chance. Oh, jeez.
Andrew Palace doing the bidding of this company's owner, Justin Plummer, and Elijah's not gonna stand for it.
Right on that apron, Elijah's pissed.
Sam Holloway's still in the ring. He has no idea what's going on, BC. And here we go. Reset button is activated. Oh, and then, oh my goodness. And just like that, activation of the reset button may be powered down by Sam Holloway.
And he's lining them up. A lot.
Oh, we've seen this before. No, I'm Elijah. Reversing it into the corner.
And, wait a minute.
What the hell is this?
What? Now, where's executive?
I don't know what to say.
Call somebody.
I'm calling this just as you're seeing it.
Shut up.
What do you want me to say? The Whiz Can. The Whiz Can. The Whiz Can, BC. That's all I can say. Oh my God. Holloway is down! Holloway is down! Joe Mandak into the cover! 2, 3!
Here is your winner and new Super Indy Champion, Elijah!
Now, hold on. The heck with Dave Kitch. You had a whiz can out there.
He held the reset button for almost a year. And on the last possible opportunity, he cashed in. He activated the reset button. And now, as far as I'm concerned, BC, all is right in the world because Elijah is the rightful Super Indy Champion.